To achieve the drape effect, I am showing you how you can possibly take the measurement on your client, and this is a quick demo on how to cut the drape. Pick one end of the fabric and place it on a triangle fold. Ensure the triangle is even at one end as shown. Determine the width of the drape with the shortest measurement. For example, if it is 9, keep checking around till you get 9, and that will be where you would draw a line across. The shape would look as though it is a trapezium, and you can go ahead to cut. Next, place the fabric on fold again as shown, and you realize that the edges are not even. Align the edges by trimming off the excess as shown. Trim off the pointy edge, come in by 1 inch and taper it out. The open sides will be pleated along the waistline while the top part will drape down as shown. A satin fabric will be used for the main project. The length is 16 inches and remember it is on fold. The top open area is turned in by half an inch and pressed. The bottom width is 43.5 inches and the top width is 27.5 inches. Do well to apply your own measurements. And this is the form the drape will take at the end of the day. Place the front skirt on fold to get the midpoint, and from the midpoint take 2 inches to the left or right. That's where the pleats will start. Start the pleats from the bottom of the trapezium fabric, placing it on the 2 inches point marked out. The pleats should stop 1.5 inches or 2 inches before the side seam. Go ahead to make your pleats. The width of the pleats can be as preferred. When you are done, the front should look like this. The pleat at the back starts 2 inches also after the side seam. This time we begin the pleats with the top parts of the trapezium fabric. The pleat on the back waistline can stop right on the center back or half an inch before getting to the center back. When you are done pleating, the drape should take its form like this. Then proceed to attach the upper bodice. Ta-da! The dress is fully assembled. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye!